Power Max Air Speed Vacuum. It is a bagless vacuum, and we're going to test this on this carpet, and we're going to see what this thing can do, because this carpet, I tested it out. I put some dirt on the carpet. The carpet looks terrible because I'm testing this, so let's begin. As you can see, it leaves streaks on the carpet, and all I need to do now is test the carpet cleaner. This is just a vacuum, because there's stains on the carpet I want to be testing out as well. But honestly, let's see what it picked up. Look at that. Oh my. Yeah, I mean, it's not much, but it works. It's a piece of junk from Walmart, honestly, but, you know, they don't make anything last anymore. This is detachable.